Picture this. A dusty old typewriter, nestled amidst a jumble of papers, holds the secret to narrative infinity. A world where every keystroke births a universe of untold tales. Imagine a realm where stories are not just narratives, but gateways to endless possibilities. Today, we're diving into the whimsical philosophy of plot lyntropy. In this wacky world, every story written is like a pebble tossed into the pond of time, creating ripples that transform into new adventures. Each narrative path is a thread in a cosmic tapestry of infinite potential, urging us to embrace the chaos of creativity. With each letter punched onto the page, the typewriter becomes a bridge to realms unimagined, where every character, plot twist, and ending is a chance to explore the boundless nature of imagination. So next time you sit down to write, remember, your desk might just hold the key to the universe's grand narrative playground.